Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Canva email signature to Gmail. Now we've opened up our Canva application, so you can also use the website which is www.canva.com, and then we'll sign in. We want to create a Canva email signature to be added to our Gmail. First of all, why do we want to do that? Now there are some advantages to this, so I'm going to let you know what they are. Now, creating and adding a Canva email signature to your Gmail account offers you several benefits, like 1, professionalism and brand consistency. A well-designed signature enhances your professional image and creates a consistent brand identity, across your email communications. Canva design tools allow you to create visually appealing signatures that reflect your personal or professional style. Number 2, it helps with increased visibility and brand awareness. Your signature acts as a mini advertisement for you or your business. It includes essential contact information and links to your website, social media profiles, and other relevant platforms, increasing your online visibility. 3, it helps improve organization and efficiency. A standardized signature saves you time and effort by eliminating the need to manually type your contact information in every email. It ensures that all your emails include the same consistent information. Number 4, it helps to enhance user experience. A visually appealing and informative signature provides recipients with easy access to your contact details and other relevant information, improving their overall user experience. Number 5, increase click-through rates. By including clickable icons for your website and social media platforms or profiles, you can drive traffic to these platforms and increase engagement. Overall, in summary, creating and adding a Canva email signature to your Gmail account is a simple yet effective way to enhance your professional image, increase your online visibility, and improve the efficiency of your email communication. Now let's get right to it. Now that we know the uses of this, let's see how we can do it. Let's get ready. Alright, the first thing you do is create a new design. So click on create a new design, and then you choose custom size. Let's see, this is custom size. Click on custom size, and then you put in the width. Let's say the dimensions that actually suit your needs. Let's say I want to use 6 over here. Yes, it's the px. Let's use 600. I'm not saying this is the right one, I'm just using it. So tap on create new design, choose the one that suits you, please. Alright, you can see signatures already. Next thing you're gonna do after whole thing, you can customize the colors, this thing, whatever. What we're through, the next thing we're gonna do is download as an image. So we choose PDF. No, not PDF, PNG actually. Download PNG, exactly. So do we choose transparent background? That's the idea. Share, download, it's a transparent background. Best for complex illustration, best for documents and email. So we want to do email. Let's choose that. Or let's just leave it as PNG. Yes, let's leave it as PNG. So we're going to leave it as PNG. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to access Gmail settings. Now, the PNG image will have a transparent background for the best results. So the next thing I'm going to do is open up our Gmail. Let's go open up our Gmail. And click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Here we go. Let's change this Gmail. Let's use this one. This looks nicer. Then gear icon in the top right corner. And the next thing we're gonna do is we'll click on see all settings. And then we're gonna create a new signature. Where is it? So after see your settings, we're going to go down to signature section and choose create new. Okay, this is our signature section. Click on create new. Then in the editor here we're going to click on insert image, but there's no option for insert. Just create a name for the signature, Chloe. Let's see. And then want to add an image, so we click on this. So we have to put the URL of the image. You can just put in the image. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Okay. Let's see. Maybe on Google Drive, is there another way we can do this? Let's see, is there another way we can do this? Is there another way? So we have to upload to Google Drive first and then we hit now. Or let's use this one, attach. That's a link. Yes, we have no choice but to take it to Google Drive first. Okay, we choose upload. Let's choose browse. We found it. Upload and browse. So let's go back and do that again. So let's go back. First of all, we clicked on the signature and then we give it a title, and then we clicked on the image here, and we had these two options. Click on Google Drive, then click on upload, and then we go to browse. Now let's see. Here it is. We click on open or just drag it there. Yes, we can allow anyone. So it's in. Now, how do we expand this? Is there any way to expand? Let's make it small. It's better. adjusted it by making it small. And now after adjusting, it's adjusted, it's saved. I think that's it. So go to signature defaults. You can also add any additional text or formatting you desire. Then click save changes to apply your new signature. But first of all, we've chosen insert signature before quoted line replies, blah blah blah. For new, choose Chloe. And then we tap on save changes. It's as simple as that. Remember to keep it concise. A professional email signature should be brief and easy to read. Use high quality images and also use high quality images to ensure that your logo and social media icons are clear and professional. Then test your signature by sending a test email to yourself to check how your signature appears. By following these steps, you can effectively add your professionally designed Canva email signature to your Gmail account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. I would like to hear from you, so please comment in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.